Today we got a video from New York Detective, and the title of the video is entitled "Man Refuses to Leave Airport After Being Denied Boarding."
On June 27, 2025, police responded to Orlando International Airport in reference to a subject that had been denied boarding.
This gentleman?
Yeah, he
So
removed
what's
him from
going
the airport. He's been really disrespectful.
Yeah.
He's been racist, disrespectful. He was intoxicated, so we said that he couldn't go. But he just like got out of hand.
Okay. We'll do
So I canceled his ticket.
that. He cannot fly with
He cannot fly with Southwest Airlines. Nope.
Okay. Hey, what's up?
Oh, you acting out on Southwest?
Oh, what's up, man? How's it going?
Good. Did you just hear everything that's going on?
No, I'm
They
so
don't.
good.
Listen, they don't want to have you as a customer anymore
Why not?
because you're being disrespectful, you're being racist, and they have a choice. No, this is not for debate. And they have a choice because it's their airline. They just don't want your business. You and I do not have a problem, so I'm going to make a suggestion to you. If you want to keep your freedom, you're going to go ahead and you're going to listen to everything I say. We're going to walk to the other side of the airport, and you can pick another airline to fly with.
Okay.
It's that simple. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Let's go.
But can you repeat that just one more time?
What's that? They
No,
believe.
Bro, I'm saying I have to go to another airline, right?
Yeah, you can use another airline.
Yeah, I know, but what's the other airline? Because she's...
Where are you going to?
Yes.
Where?
No, Texas.
Okay, there's I can go over there and I can probably help you try to find something in Texas. There might be a Frontier. I don't know the airlines, but I'll help you.
Okay.
Okay? Let's go take a walk.
I'm not trying to be like that.
I know you're not.
I'm
That's
saying she's being like very like micro. It's like the microaggression is kind of like weird. But
okay. But it's not up for debate, unfortunately.
Yeah, I know. I understand.
Okay,
I
let's go
understand. It's because she's not like I know.
Okay, so just remember, we'll just keep it going.
No,
Okay.
I'm good.
Thank you, man.
I just have a flight with my friends, bro.
Yes. What's that?
I'm trying to see.
Okay. Let's go ahead and we'll make phone calls if we have to, okay?
No, but I'm a flight to Austin, actually. Austin.
You can't do it on Southwest. You have to find another airlines
Okay, so I'm banned from what?
from Southwest.
Because
Your behavior. I didn't witness it. I'm not here. It's
Brother,
not up for debate.
I was charging my phone. I wasn't doing anything.
I get you. Well, what's your first name?
Steve.
Steve, you probably had too much to drink. You know,
Did
you probably did because I think you're a little drunk right now. I can tell. I've been drunk before too, and I've done some stuff that I probably shouldn't have done.
Brother, I've been drunk as well. I promise you.
We'll do it while we walk.
It's so funny because my friends are on the flight. I don't know who this is.
Let's go, Steve.
Okay.
You ever been to jail?
Okay, what's your name?
My name's Chris.
Chris? Okay, Chris, listen. I've been to jail, yes.
Do you want to go again? I don't want to take you, Steve. I don't.
Chris, brother, I have done nothing but complied.
Okay. You're not complying right now.
Okay, I'll comply with you, but I just need to make my flight to Puerto Rico.
Not on Southwest. We got to do it on a different airline. I'm going to help you. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to help you. All right?
Okay, I'll walk with you.
Let's go right here. No, you're not.
I'm good. Still over here?
No, we're going.
No, I'm still over here.
Okay, let's go to jail. Turn around.
Wait, no, but I'm saying, what? Wait.
We have to leave this area. It's not for negotiation.
Okay.
Okay? We have to get on this shuttle right here and we got to go.
Dude.
Or I take you in my car to jail.
Okay.
You don't go to Puerto Rico. You have the options right now to not go to jail.
I'll still get on the airline.
You're not getting on this airline. They do not want to have you there.
I understand, but you guys are like mistreating me.
I'm not mistreating you.
Yes,
I'm giving
I am.
you the option.
Because my dad is trying to take me home.
Okay, let's get to your dad.
Steve,
Okay.
I want to get
Where's
you
your dad at?
Then just chill.
Okay.
Chill.
So let's get on this.
Okay.
We already talked about this.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, well, you're being so weird. And it's funny, because grammatically, you know, like, it's like the same shit.
Not too close.
Not too close. Okay, then challenge, what?
Like we could use words without getting close. Is what he's trying to say.
Brother, we can use words.
I can hear you.
Okay, but just look, my dad is coming to pick me up.
Let's get
I got challenged by the airline. I'm chilling. I'm cooling. I just sat down.
All right, this guy, this guy is he's definitely intoxicated. So I can see why they they didn't let him on. You know what I mean? Like, and you may not realize or you may not know, but actually, you know, you being intoxication on an airplane, it's a federal law. So I got the law right here, right? And it's 14 CFR section 121.575. You can look it up yourself, but pretty much what it states, an airline is legally prohibited from allowing anyone to board an aircraft if they appear to be intoxicated, right? So there's a couple of different things in there, but that's the main one, and that's the one that applies to this. So the fact that, you know, and people may not even know this, you know, right? Because people go to the airports all the time and go to the bars and hang out, and they serve alcohol on planes and all this other stuff, right? So, but the thing is that it is a federal law. You know, you can't be on there intoxicated. You know what I'm saying? If you looking, that's why when you going through, you got to play it real cool. Get it right. Get it together. Don't be acting like a clown. Don't be, just go through, scan your ticket. And a lot of times they don't even be tripping like that. But when you're going out of your way to act like an ass clown, this is it. They're going to enforce that rule. You know what I mean? And, you know, they could deny you because they want to, but that it is a federal law. And, but anyways, this guy, the reason why they're trying to get him out of there, obviously, is because people that's allowed on that side of the airport, you know, after security and all that stuff, it's because you got a ticket. You no longer have a ticket, so you can't be on that side. So we got to get you, let's go. And I wouldn't be having them that close behind me anyway, too, because that's what I'm looking at. I'm like, damn, you going to let him walk right behind you like that? So I like that cop was like, yo, not too close or whatever. Yeah, you better act right, because I don't know. You could be trying to grab my taser, my weapon, like whatever. And if you do that, we really going to have to put you down like a dog.
So wait for my friends. I did not do anything. You're being weird. And no, I'm saying, just chill, bro. Look.
Do you fly Southwest a lot?
Yes, I do.
All right, so here's the thing. If we just keep going like this, they won't ban you or anything bad will happen.
Period. But I just want to go home.
Yeah. Okay, never mind.
That's it. I want to go home.
He's shown racist behavior over there. He's wanting to be bitter with them. He's wanting to argue with them. And I said, you and I don't have an issue.
Yes, we don't.
But you have an issue with them.
Brother, I don't have an issue with anyone here.
Okay, are you familiar with the corporate process of how to make complaints?
No, I'm not.
Okay, you want to have some education on that? You're saying you did nothing wrong, yes?
Yes.
They're saying you did something wrong, yes? So what you can do...
Brother, my friends are on the Southwest flight. I left because my dad went to pick me up. I had my bag, Okay, that's fine. I'm just going to leave the airport.
Okay, and we're gonna get you there. So where is your dad picking up on the A side? Southwest?
No, he's on B terminal.
Okay, we'll take you to B terminal. Can you call your dad?
Yes, I can.
And then we'll figure out exactly where on B terminal.
We'll
lead you right there.
Try to find another flight. Because you're not for you're being weird. And I know
Let's go over here, fan.
Yeah, that one got less people.
So let's call your dad and figure out where on B terminal he's at. Is he ready?
Bro, you know where my dad is at?
Yes. I'm trying to figure out B terminal.
Yes.
But like where? Like there's level.
I mean, I want him to guess though. I want blue eyes, the great beard, all that. I want him to guess.
The doors and hold on to the.
I'm not going to play a game.
You're so racist.
With the main terminal. You will be arriving.
We're going to get you on the other side, and we're going to try to get you to where you need to go, okay?
The baggage claim is on level 2.
So your dad's on B terminal, right?
Well, this Orlando Airplane Center.
You promised me what?
Welcome.
What you promised me?
You're racist.
Welcome to the
You have a right to have that opinion.
I do.
You do.
theme parks and attractions. Authentic experiences are found.
This is why you're not flying with them. Because of your behavior. All right? This is why they don't want you to fly with them. Okay? I forgive you.
Let's call your dad. He said B terminal is either 3 or like level 2.
He also has friends here. He doesn't know where they're at, so.
They're at B terminal, going to Tampa.
Okay, all right, let's figure that out, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, see, I told him, I said I'd help him try to figure all this out.
Okay, what's your number? What's your office number?
I'll get you all that information.
Okay, office Vannanen. Oh, but it's 30. Oh, no wonder it's 30 though. Okay, so Vannanen. Okay, but I'll take a picture of it.
Yeah, take a picture.
Yeah, I will.
I'm recording you too.
Yeah, that's fine, dude. Because I'm just on the airport trying to get to my dad. Office. Oh, you're Corporal Vannanen. Oh, that makes sense, dude. That makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Sergeant. That's your bus right there. The pink one. The pink one. Oh, the pink one. Yeah. Nah, but it's the orange one. Take it. Go ahead. I don't care. Take it. I mean, I'm not even sure, bro. You're giving me a hard time. Go and get him. He has a pass. Give him the fucking pass. So come on. Give him the pass. Give him the pass. What pass did y'all give me? The bus pass. Which one? The red one. This right there. I don't know which. Yeah. Swipe the car, man. Oh, you're bugging over what? That's the problem. Brother, I don't know you. Swipe the card. You know how to swipe a card, correct? So swipe the card. I ain't swiping aggressive. Alright, bro, because you playing games, bro. You purposely playing games. I just stepped
Yeah, boy, yeah. Get them together, man. I like the bus driver, man. Get them together, man. He ain't got time for you, for your drunk self. Get them together. Swipe the card. Act like you know what's up. Okay. Yeah.
Swipe. You got great clowns. Yo, I don't know this dude. Why you playing aggro, nigga? I don't know you. Get in the back. How does this work, dude? Which side? I don't know you, Mahar. I don't know you. You're basically... Yo, go sit down. Go sit down.
Oh, he from New York.
Go sit down.
He from New York.
Drop him off the first stop. Get him out of here.
The suspect showed up to the airport soon after and tried to go through TSA when officers noticed him.
Come on. Come over here. Come on.
You were trespassed, were you not?
Oh, I'm sorry. No, you're done. It's done. No, I'm from Maryland. I don't care. I'm not even from Maryland. Okay. I don't care. All right, we're gonna take your
He from Maryland? What the? Then why is he saying my heart? That's a New York slang. That ain't no Maryland. What's up with him, man?
Okay. Your thing off, right? That's fine, bro.
Or are they at JFK right now? Where they at? Nah, they're probably in Florida.
Oh yeah, your bag will go with you.
I am from Florida, bro.
So you understand why you're being detained right now, right?
Honestly, not really. Yeah.
So you have the trespass paperwork. You were trespassed. We gave you a bus pass on the agreement that you were going to leave the airport. And then you came back. So that's why you're being detained.
I'm not from Florida. I'm from Maryland.
I know, but that's it.
I'm from Maryland. My car's over there.
Man, yeah, get him to jail, man.
Poke me, stick me? No, bro. No?
Yeah, you can check real quick.
I'll probably just call like my girlfriend in Maryland. By the way, you can call your girlfriend when we get her. I'm not from Orlando, bro. But I mean, we're gonna put your wallet and your glasses and your paperwork inside your bag, okay? Is your boarding pass in there? Yeah, it's in the wallet. Probably. Your cell phone's gonna go in there too. So is anybody just getting like left out tonight, like off the way? That's more of a question for.
We gave you like 7 opportunities. All you had to do is trespassing is the same thing.
Bro, I didn't know. Have a seat.
At least he sobered up a little bit. He's still drunk though.
Okay, man. You nervous, bro? A little bit, because I was trying to cancel a flight at home. I'm nervous. I'm not even right now.
He was charged with trespass after warning. Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Yeah, this guy, drunk, man, drunk. He did sober up though. like when they finally caught him going through TSA, he's more sober now than what he was in the beginning, but he's still highly intoxicated though. But it's like, damn, reality is about to hit me. I'm going to jail. But anyway, man, I think the cops did a pretty good job, man. You know what I'm saying? So overall, I think they were pretty reasonable. Honestly, they were pretty reasonable, and they tolerated his drunkenness without, you know, yeah. Because they could have took him to jail the first time, honestly. Like, but anyway, yeah, so I give a 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.